Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing great. So today I'm gonna share with you this. It's called sellou or sfouf. It's a Moroccan dish that we usually have in Morocco every Ramadan. So I'm gonna share the ingredients with you and the way to do it. I'm doing it actually in a healthy way. So all the ingredients is gonna be healthier than the usual way we do it in Morocco. But yeah, so I hope you like the video. Stay with me. So I have here 500 grams of almond powder toasted. So I didn't fry anything. I toasted everything. 200 grams of toasted oat powder or porridge. I just, normal porridge. I toasted it and put it on the machine to make it as a powder. We have 250 grams of crunchy almonds toasted as well. 500 grams of sesame seed powder, so I toasted it and then made it to a powder, and also a big cup of the sesame seed, toasted it but I just left it in the full size. One small cup of olive oil. You can use normal oil, but I used olive oil. As I said, I'm keeping it healthy. Also I have like a small cup of whole almonds toasted. 2 big spoons from anise powder and fennel powder. I mixed them together, so I toasted them as well. The seeds, I toasted them and then make them to a powder. One cup of flax powder, toasted as well. So everything is toasted. Cinnamon, little bit of cinnamon powder, honey. Also I used 2 jars of the crunchy almond butter. Is a choice if you don't have to use it, but it gives it more like a gooey texture. So straight away we're gonna add all the dry ingredients together. So I have this same recipe in my channel from last year in Arabic, so I just thought I'll make it in English as well, so people who doesn't understand Moroccan language, you can try to make it if you wanted to. This recipe, we usually have it in Morocco. Different cities makes it different ways, but it's the same, mostly the same ingredients. So we just mix all the ingredients, as I said, the dry ones together. It's very healthy. As you can see, all the ingredients are healthy. Usually we fry the almonds and some of the things, and we use sugar as well, but I'm not using any sugar. I'm just using honey for the sweetness. So I'm keeping it 100% healthy. So every Ramadan, like most of the Moroccan household, we have to have this in iftar time, also in ishar time as well. You can have like few spoons with it. It gives you a lot of energy and it tastes delicious. I'm gonna leave you the link to the Arabic video in the description box. Also I'm gonna leave you the written ingredients in there as well. So just mix all the ingredients together. If you want to add any other nuts, you can as well. So I put it in 2 bowls because that bowl was small. So anise and fennel powder, you can use 2 spoons. I don't like the taste of it too much, so I use two big spoons each, but if you like the taste more, you can add more. But try when you toasting those things, especially don't like toast them too much, like if you just a little bit. So if you toast them too much, then it's gonna be a burning taste on your sellou or sfouf. So just add in all the ingredients. Cinnamon powder, you can add as taste, how much you like. So if you want to make a bigger like more than that, you can just double the ingredients, or if you want to make less, you can minimize it. So I didn't use any flour. Usually we have flour in it as well, like toasted flour, but I didn't use, I just thought I'll keep it healthy 100%. Even the oil, I didn't use like normal oil, I used extra virgin olive oil just to keep it healthy. So now we're gonna start adding the wet ingredients. So I started with the olive oil, like slowly. You can add the honey and the olive oil as much as you want if you want it. Also, this is the butter, the almond butter. You don't have to use it, but it gives a very good taste to the sellou, and also it makes it more gooey. So if you like it more dry, then you know, don't use the wet ingredients so much. Otherwise, if you like it like really gooey and stuff, the more wet ingredients you add, the more gooey it's gonna be. So those, the almond butter, I bought it from Aldi. They sell it cheaper than Tesco's and the other shops, so I think it was £1 something. As you can see, the more I add, the more it's getting wetter and gooier. I just keep adding the honey as well to taste, like how much sweet you want it, how much gooier you want it. So you can make it also like before Ramadan, a few weeks before Ramadan, and just keep it in a jar that is airtight, and it's nothing gonna happen to it. You can decorate it as I'm gonna show you in the end of the video and you saw in the beginning of the video, but if you don't want to, you can just take a little bit on the balls, or small balls, and just give it to the family in iftar time. So this is how it's gonna look like when it's finished. So I'm showing you here like two kinds, like you can leave it like that as I said, or you can decorate it this way, like you know, I use this silicone flour kind of mold, and those ones I'm going to use the small ones. So the big one, I just put it on the mold, pressed it really hard, and then turn it to give the shape of the mold. And those I'm going to do like individual ones, so you can use any mold you have. I just use silicone because silicone is much easier to control and take it out easier without, you know, so you can control it better. So whatever you have around, you can use it. So this method is only gonna work if it's like you put, like if it's more gooey and more wet than dry. If it's more dry, then you're not gonna be able to keep it that way. So you can just eat it by spoons. Otherwise, you know, as you can see, it's easy to make it into a mold. So I made here like circle ones. I'm gonna use those flowers as well, just to give you an idea. As I said, you can use anything you have. So I'm gonna try to translate the videos I have from last Ramadan in Arabic. That's, you know, the for Ramadan. I'm gonna try to translate them in English, so you can see like the stuff that we do in Morocco in Ramadan. So that's it. So the big one, I just put some almonds on top to decorate it, and the smaller ones is like I did a different things. Like this one I put like edible roses in the middle. The other one I put like half moon of icing sugar and almond, and the third one I put some strawberry freeze dried powder, or not powder, like small pieces. I got them from Waitress. So this is the video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.